Here's how to program the remote to your Guardian Jackshaft 928 operator. First thing you're going to want to do is press the learn button on your Guardian Jackshaft motor. Now your indicator light came on, letting you know you can pick the button on your remote to set it. So I picked the very first button, and it just let me know that it caught the code. So now you're going to operate it. And then you can stop it, letting you know it's working. Now we're going to hold it down. So now we're going to set the other one. Learn button. Pick the button you want to set. Caught it. Now run it again. And now, stop it. Okay. Now both Guardian remotes are set to your Jackshaft motor.
If you have problems with your garage door or garage door operator, please contact us today.